Alright guys, we're out here in Joliet, Illinois. This is up by all the vendors. I'm going to take a walk back to the truck. Take you guys with me. Look at some of this cool shit. We're going to go down there and take a break and, you know, probably walk around and make a little bit more video action. We're going to go down up the top down here. So we're parked down there. So enjoy. There's some pretty cool stuff here. Some pretty weird stuff here. Some unique stuff here. There's a whole row of two-door Chevelle wagons up here. Try to head past them if I can find them again. I think they're up here by the stadium's seats.
Galaxy.
I've noticed a lot more step-side trucks here than last year, but maybe I just noticed them now because I have one. Clean Mustang there. I'll say Chevelles are up here somewhere. Let's take a look. No, unless they left. Maybe they did, I don't know.
Oh my god, I didn't notice you.
Wait, did you show where I put the hat on it?
Up here, I think. Got a Viper. I'll show you the Studebaker over here too. It's a whole row of two-door wagons.
I think that's what it is. And he's like, oh,
I never even seen a two-door wagon until today. Chevelle, you know, in person. And here's a whole row of them. They said they don't let the four doors in. There's a Studebaker down here. We'll check it out real cool. It's has a cool visor on it, adjustable. Look at that thing, fresh. Adjustable visor on there. Giving me some ideas, you know. There's a little Thunderbird up in here. You got Herbie over there. It's not really Herbie, it's the Pepsi Cola Express. Woody. All sorts of shit here. New shit, old shit. out here. How about a sign? It's blowing me around. Couldn't escape, man. Oh, what's with all this new stuff here? To each their own, I guess, man. Got some new Edge Mustangs. Newer Mustangs. I like the old shit, man. I like 50s and 60s shit.
It still looks very good.
I want to check out this old Toyota, though. Let's go down in here a little bit. A lot of Chevrolet stuff up in here. A little bit of Dodge stuff. A lot of Ford stuff. Fiero. Some old stuff. Pontiac stuff. Oh man, we'll do a cookout. They bring that for everybody. Oh, Dodge. The Prospector. Thankfully, I'm not parked at the very end of this like I was last year. We're down here on the right in the grass. It's very rainy today, so I didn't get very much footage at all.
Alrighty, how you doing? I thought I was bad at the Jeep guy. That would have been that day would have been bad.
I sure brought a scooter. What's wrong with me? I could have been scooting around.
You know what I do now? I won't even go to car with my mom. I won't. Why would you take me? Yep. I won't get show you. I'll make an argument. I said, I will drive you.
WI6. First Olds 442. Look at this guy. I'll go walk over here, man. Show you guys this thing here. Looked at this thing earlier today. It's an Alaskan camper that slides up and down. Old Ford truck with an air-cooled Deutz diesel engine in it.
See, that's
pretty wild. I always spent more time in the engine bay, but I'm not trying to get in people's way. Pretty neat. Fox buddy over here. It's very soupy in this grass. I'm parked way over there. Check out some Mercury. Back window is pretty cool. Lots of shit out here. Old Buick. Check out this back window. I think it goes up and down. It's an eyeball for you. Pretty cool. There's the old 58. It's just so much here, and people have left already. But we're gonna hang out with the fellas back here for a minute. Here we are. See ya.